Hello students, in this video we are going to learn what is hyperlink, how to create hyperlink and types of hyperlink. Now let's start with what is hyperlink. A hyperlink is a text or an image user can click on and jump to another document. Hyperlink can be text or can be image on which user can click and jump to another document or another HTML file or another website. You might have seen while surfing on internet that there are some text like home, next, back, go, previous, etc. which are by default in blue color and underline. When you take your cursor on that text, it becomes hand shape. And when you click on that text, it jumps on next web page or another web page. This is what hyperlink. Hyperlink allows user to click and help to move from one web page to another web page. In short, hyperlink is a link between web pages. Now we'll see how to create hyperlink. To create hyperlink, A is the anchor tag is used to create hyperlink. Here A stands for anchor tag, the text or image enclosed between starting A tag and ending A tag is a link. This link is clickable. href, that is hypertext reference, is an attribute of a tag. Syntax to create hyperlink is a space href is equal to URL. Here URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This is nothing but address. Next, link text or image. Link text or image is nothing but name or image which can be treated as link. A tag close. For example, a href is equal to a.html home a tag close. Here home is link. When you will click on home, you will jump to a.html page. Now we'll see program which includes anchor tag to create hyperlink. To create hyperlink, we require minimum 2 web pages. Here I have 2 web pages. First web page name is page1.html. Second web page name is page2.html. I want to jump or move from page 1 to page 2 and again page 2 to page 1. So in page 1, link on next text and in page 2, link on back. That means from page 1, when I will click on next, I will jump on page 2 and on page 2, when I will click on back, I will jump on page 1. So from page 1, when I will click on next, I will jump on page 2 and from page 2, when I will click on back, I will jump on page 1. For that, in page 1, we are going to write a space href is equal to page2.html. Next, a tag close. Here, href is equal to page2.html because we want to jump on page 2. That's why address is page2.html. And then next, because we want link on next text. That's why next. Then on page 2, a href is equal to page1.html back a tag close. Here href is equal to page1.html because we want to jump on page 1. So the address is page 1 and link on back. So when I will click on back, I will get jump on page 1. So when I will open my page 1 or when I will execute my page 1, as you can see in output, on page 1, next will be by default in color and underline because next is hyperlink. So when you will click on next, you will jump to second page. And on second page, you can see in output back is in different color and by default in underline. So when you will click on back, you will get jump on page 1. This is what hyperlink and this is how hyperlink works. Now we will see types of hyperlink. There are 3 types of hyperlink. First one is link to page on the World Wide Web. Example A space href is equal to http://www.google.com go a tag close. Here go is link. When I will click on go, I will directly jump on Google web page. So here page link to the World Wide Web. Second one is link to an image by image as a link. Here a href is equal to c:/rose.jpg. My image name is rose.jpg. Then image tag for to insert image on web page. Image src is equal to lotus.jpg a tag close. Here lotus.jpg, lotus image is my link. When I will click on lotus image, I will jump on rose image. Third one, link to document located in different directory. A href is equal to c:/assign p1.html. Click here a tag close. Here click here is link. When I will click on click here, then I will jump on p1.html web page which is stored in C drive. Now we'll see example link to page on the World Wide Web. HTML tag, head tag, title is hyperlink example 2, title tag close, head tag close, body tag, heading 1 tag, that is what is the heading? This is my first page, heading tag close, p tag, click following link, p tag close. Now hyperlink tag, that is a tag, a href is equal to http://www.google.com go a tag close, body tag close, HTML tag close. Here go is my link. When I will click on go, I will directly jump on Google web page. This is the example of link to page on the World Wide Web. Now as you can see in the output, go is in by default in blue color and underline. When I will click on go, I will directly jump on Google web page. Example of link to a image by image as a link. HTML head title, title tag close, head tag close, body tag close, heading tag, p tag. To create hyperlink, again a tag href is equal to rows.jpg, then image source is equal to bird.jpg, a tag close. Now here I want link on image, that's why starting tag a and between starting tag a and ending tag a I am specifying image tag. So on bird image I will get hyperlink, and when I will click on bird image I will jump on rose image. Now we'll see output. See, on first web page, bird image is there. Bird image is having hyperlink. So when I will click on bird image, I will jump on rose image. Last type of hyperlink is link to document located in different directory. Again HTML, head, title tag close, head tag close, body, h1p, then again a tag to create hyperlink. href is equal to c colon / assign / p1.html. Click here, a tag close. Here, click here is hyperlink, where when I will click here, I will jump on p1.html web page, which is stored in C drive. So this is example of link to document located in different directory. Here my web page is stored in different directory. So this is all about hyperlink. Thank you.